Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of deleting a message in a community on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to your community. Step 3. Click on the down arrow icon located next to the desired message. Step 4. Select Delete. Step 5. Choose between Delete it for everyone to remove the message for all community members or Delete it for me to delete it only from your own chat. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effectively manage and delete messages in your WhatsApp community. This can be useful if you accidentally sent a wrong message or if you want to remove inappropriate content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might find it helpful in managing their WhatsApp communities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.